camping pots are an essential item for any outdoor enthusiast. There are many products available to choose camping pots, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping pots from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Odolin 10 PCS Camping Cookware Camping Pots. Odolin Cookware Set is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. This set includes a pot, fry pan, kettle, plastic bowls, soup spoon, spatula, cleaning sponge, and mesh bag. The anodized aluminum pots and pan are lightweight and non-toxic with a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The foldable handles and compact size make it easy to carry while hiking or camping. Enjoy cooking delicious meals anywhere with this portable and convenient cookware set. Number 2. Nature Hike Camping Soup Pot Cookware. The Nature Hike 4 to 6-person outdoor cookware set is made of hard aluminum oxide and includes a non-stick pan that is easy to clean, lightweight, and portable. The pot body is 8.27 inches in diameter and 5.31 inches in height, with a large 4L capacity that can serve 4 to 6 people. The 1 mm thick aluminum plate is 25% thicker than the mainstream market, providing a balance between lightweight and durability and allowing for rapid heating with low energy consumption, perfect for outdoor camping and friends gathering. Number 3. Odolin 9 PCS Camping Cookware. The Odolin Camping Cookware Set is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts like you. This 9-piece set includes essential items such as a pot, fry pan, and plastic bowls, making meal prep a breeze while hiking or camping. Weighing only 1 pound, its lightweight design ensures easy portability, so you can focus on enjoying your adventure. The anodized aluminum construction is not only durable, but also features a non-stick coating for effortless cooking and cleanup. Plus, the foldable handles help save space, making this set a must-have for any outdoor activity. Number 4. Camping Cookware Set. The Fortitude 21 Camping Cookware is your perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. This durable set includes essential items like pots, pans, and utensils, allowing you to prepare delicious meals in the wild. Its lightweight and compact design means you can easily carry it on any hike or camping trip. With the added windshield and carabiner, you'll enjoy convenience and efficiency while cooking. Transform your campsite into a gourmet kitchen and unleash your culinary skills wherever you go, making every outdoor experience a memorable one. Number 5. Odolin 15 PCS Camping Cookware Non. The Odolin Camping Cookware Set is an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. This 15-piece set includes pots, pans, plates, and utensils, making it a complete cooking solution for camping, backpacking, or picnics. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to pack, perfect for those who need to save space. The pots and frying pan are made from non-toxic anodized aluminum with a non-stick coating, ensuring easy cooking and cleanup. With foldable handles, you can conveniently store everything in the included mesh bag, allowing you to enjoy cooking wherever your journey takes you.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.